have a degree in theology. Like I said, my life piloted by divinity, by the help of God. So I have degree in theology. I have my second degree in Christian counseling, my PhD in Christian counseling. Then I also have business intelligence as a professional course. Then, of course, I have other doctorate degree in strategic leadership. Then I also have another one in education, management, and leadership. So these are the courses so far. I, of course, have attended a lot of training, a lot of professional training like MBA in management, then in cybersecurity. Then I also have another one in emotional intelligence and the rest. So I just have them. I can't count them. There are many.